I'm here to tell you about the key features of the RN-CSA solar carport mounting system, manufactured by Xiamen Rineng Solar Energy Technology. Considering that solar carports are excellent for maximizing energy and space utilization, we developed this product to offer a perfect solution to our customers. Sturdy materials, anodized Al6005 aluminium and SUS 304 stainless steel provide excellent corrosion resistance and ensure systems' ability to withstand high mechanical stress. With wind load of up to 216 km per hour and a snow load of 1.5 kilonewtons per square meter, you can rest assured this product will stand firm even in the harshest of environments. The system is waterproof and equipped with a drainage solution, which protects cars from rain and snow and ensures safe and reliable operation. Systems elements are factory pre-assembled, which considerably decreases installation time and work costs. A few simple steps are required to install the system. Construction of concrete blocks foundation. Installation of the pre-assembled mounting structure on the foundation blocks. Mounting rails fitting. Installation of solar modules. And finally, attachment of the drainage system. By the customer request, this product can be customized to suit individual project requirements. We offer 10 years warranty for the system. To ensure reliable and trouble-free operation and to convenience of our customers, we designed it to conform to the various national standards. Australian AS/NZS 1170, Japanese JISC 8955, German DIN 1055, as well as international IBC 2006. Our products pass rigorous mechanical testing, and we apply strict quality control procedures in all production stages. Our company is an experienced manufacturer specializing in research, production, sales, and services of solar mounting systems. We have a global reach, exporting our products to more than 100 countries and regions. Our product features are low cost, high flexibility, proven design, and convenient installation.